Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. I will be bringing you gist from the just concluded Ultimate Love show. Former Ultimate Love guest Theresa gives Iyke lap dance on bed. The former Ultimate Love couple iykeresa, known as Iyke and Theresa, took to Instagram to share a video of themselves cooling out on a love bed, with Theresa giving Iyke a lap dance. Theresa's video was captioned, "Good morning to the priceless gang. I hope love never departs from your heart. Stay safe." Song Me and You official praise. Numero uno at iykeresa. Iyke also captioned the video he posted on his Instagram handle saying, "Good morning gang gang, a little boredom kill with bae." At Iyke Theresa. Song Me and You official praise all iykeresa. Alright guys, enjoy the video from these guys and stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment for more gist updates from your love guests.